So this is the image I'm going to use. So now go to filters and then select Gimp. So now just type on the search bar here watermark. So here it is, it's under degradations. It's called visible watermark, and now left click. So now you can change the text. The slash here 251 is the C symbol here, and then it's Gimp. So for example, if I want to change the text, let's type Gimp and then press enter. So here it is. And now here you can control the opacity. So here you can control, for example, the font. So I'm going to leave it for this one. This is the size. So here you can change it to bold. And this is the angle. And the lightness here, you can either make it brighter or change it to darker. So here's the effect. So now just make sure to keep the preview here checked. So if I left click, so we won't have the preview, left click, and now let's press OK. So now as you can see, the filter here created the watermark on our layer. So if you want to create it on a new layer, so Ctrl Z to undo. Create a new transparent layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. And now let's go to filters, and then just click on reshow Gimp. So here's our watermark here. So you can't see anything because of the transparent layer. So now I'm just going to change the font to Roboto, change it to bold. So the only issue here, you can't control, for example, the number, for example, of watermark here. Text is going to be displayed. So you just control the size. So here it is. Now let's reduce it. So now I'm going to leave these settings as they are for the opacity like this. So here now just press OK. And now as you can see, the watermark here is gray. If you want to change its color or make it black or white, go to colors and then select colorize. So here if I select left click on the GIMP window, press the plus on your keyboard to zoom in. And now let's increase the saturation. So for the hue it will change the color. So if you want, for example, to darken it, to make the kind of the text here darker, so just to reduce the lightness all the way down, you can also reduce saturation. If you want to make it white, increase the lightness all the way up and then increase the saturation. So for example, let's reduce it here. So I think I'm going to leave it with the white color like this, and now press OK. You can still, for example, duplicate it to increase, for example, the lightness. So now let's select the women layer, this one here, and now press minus key on the keyboard to zoom out.